Yo guys, and welcome back to a new stream here on the channel. My name is Dan from CryptoRover, and thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new stream on the channel. Guys, today is a very exciting day because yes, Bitcoin has been falling very significantly. And what do we have to do right now? Do we want to be panic selling here? Do we want to be going out of the market? Or should we be rather buying right now? So that's a thing that of course we'll be discussing in this stream today. And of course guys, there's so many things that I want to be discussing because it is looking very interesting. Because yes, Bitcoin of course decreasing, Elon Musk causing a lot of currently in the market, and my voice is a little bit worse today, so that's the thing that you have to be dealing with today. But of course I will be doing this live stream for you guys. So guys, let me go right away into the video. And before I go into every single thing and all the details here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully you're having an amazing day here. But you can see over here the Fear and Greed Index. We are sitting in historical lows here. And I mean, we have not been seeing the fear sitting so high currently in Bitcoin. And I mean, probably I see it from all the people. A lot of people are texting me, a lot of people in the Discord server. They're saying all kinds of things here right now. They're saying, is this real? Is Tesla already going to dump their Bitcoin? I'm going to dump with them. But what they are doing right now, I mean, I'm not even looking to Elon Musk anymore, because that guy is, of course, I can't take him serious anymore right now. So, I mean, guys, it is very interesting what we're getting, because the fear is extremely high right now, and you don't want to be falling for this, because if you're falling for this fear, you're of course getting scooped up by all these pills here. Because in the end of the day, guys, once you are right now selling, these big players, the whales will be buying, because always for every single seller there is a buyer, and I should right now be buying rather than selling. Because yes, guys, as well, if you look to the charts here, because we are here on the channel to talk about the charts here. We are here to discuss the charts because there's so many things that we want to be discussing about the Bitcoin chart here. Does it look bad? Yes, we are definitely in a downtrend, but can we be looking for some resistance, I mean support anytime soon here? So I've been talking about the video that I was uploading on the channel a while ago. I was uploading a video a while ago here about the possibilities that here, the last chance to buy your Bitcoin, and the reason why I do think Bitcoin will be stopping out anytime soon here. And that was once we were reaching this level over here, once we were touching this level over here. And right now, yesterday we still got supported by this level, and right now of course we are trading below it. But what is the likely scenario what is going to play out today? Of course, I do think that we are going to push up higher to still close this one above this 150-day moving average, because I don't see a reason that we're really going to fall below. And yes, historically saying, always once we're closing below this level, the bull market is ending. But guys, please, everyone is right now, I get all these messages currently from all my friends, from family, etc. The bull market is over. Do I have to sell right now? No, you don't want to be selling here, guys, because this is exactly what the whales want you to do so. And besides that, if I just look to the bull market support band, people are maybe also freaking out a little bit here. But you can see over here on the weekly time frame, we still got supported here for the bull market support band. So for me, there's also nothing really to worry about. And of course, we are going to create a huge wick on the lower side. And if you're currently going to sell here, you're absolutely not going to make it. You're not going to make good gains. You're rather going to make a big loss here. And besides that, guys, I mean, if I just in general look up across the space here, it's just a 25% correction in the past 7 days. Today, it's only a 10% correction. Guys, we have been through these multiple times here together. We have had this multiple times. And are you going to sell right now? Why? Because Elon Musk is selling. It doesn't matter what he's saying. We can be literally extending the bull run without him as well. Because yes, guys, he bought at 30k. He started pumping Bitcoin once it was sitting at 30k, and the bull market by then was already started. So do we need Elon to pump it towards neo optimized? Definitely not. We don't need him. Of course, it is causing a lot of retailers to step into it. And besides that, of course, it raised a lot of awareness for big institutions as well. So yes, there's definitely a good side from it as well here. But I should definitely not be the one who's currently going to sell it. And a lot of people are also speculating that he's maybe trying to push the price a little bit lower. But yeah, I mean, there's no reason for me to panic about it. So people are asking me, Rover, can you give me some support up? So first of all, the weekly candle close, of course, was exactly on the support level of the bull market band here. So the bull market band is of course on the weekly time frame. But you're maybe wondering, yes, we're trading below it right now, but of course we are going to close this weekly candle in exactly 6 days here, guys. So we still have another 6 days to push it towards the upside, and of course create a big wick on the lower side. So for me, that is no reason to worry. And besides that, guys, as well. If I just look to my daily horizontal levels, there are multiple very exciting things here. First of all, yeah, we were looking for the 49k here. We were looking at the 49k and it was looking, okay, this is a level that we can be definitely holding on, and I don't feel exactly bearish about this one. So that was of course very exciting, but yeah, we fought below it. And then you can see as well here, guys, we were getting a rejection once retesting it. So the 49k over here was of course providing us a major rejection once retesting it. And after that, of course, we went lower. And right now, yesterday as well, we were finding support on the 45.1k here. 45.1k, massive level of support. You can see it over here. Massive support is getting traded for Bitcoin over here. And of course, I can also enable the VPVR for you in a second, because yeah, people are maybe saying, but Rover, there is not a lot of volume currently getting traded around these levels. Do we need to worry? Because yes, this is the only volume that is currently getting traded over here. And of course, we are having some price action right now over here. So let's see how this will be ending. But of course, I will still say to you guys, the likelihood of creating a big wick on the lower side and reverse a little bit is very, very likely. Besides that, guys, if you look to the daily candles, of course, it depends on how this one, how the daily of today will be closing. But currently, we were forming a bullish divergence. Currently, it looks to be invalidated. But of course, if we're going to push up this daily candle a little bit higher, we're definitely going to let me see, we're also going to yeah, make this bullish divergence play out once again here. So I think there's no really a reason to panic for me. On the 4-hourly, it looks also very exciting, because yes, guys, we were forming bullish divergence after bullish divergence, but we were not really seeing the follow through, because yes, Elon Musk was still messing around with us. So yeah, on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see the 45.1k is of course providing massive resistance currently. And let me see what you guys are saying in the chat here. 88 guys, I will be talking about every single altcoin in a second. Give me a moment. First, I want to be discussing Bitcoin, because yes, guys, Bitcoin is a leading indicator. And if we have discussed Bitcoin, we can be, of course, going into all these altcoins, what are also very exciting coins, of course. So let me see what we are currently having here. So let me see. I got a notification for someone here. Bitcoin is down 20% since Elon Musk started shit posting about it, and you wonder why some people. Oh wait, he tweeted about it. Of course, let me go real quick to the Twitter page of Elon Musk here, because I want to be seeing this. Someone is sending me some screenshots here. It's about this here. Bitcoin is down 20% here. Since Elon Musk started shitposting, and you wonder why some people are mad. Clarify speculation, Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin. So, okay, I was not aware of this situation yet here, but of course, he put out a statement. That he has not sold any Bitcoin. At least Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin. So, that is of course very good. That's very good. That's very good. Very good. But of course, still, I don't like what he's currently doing here. He has too much influence on the market. But of course, once time is also continuing, I think he will be getting less and less influence, because yeah, people won't take him serious anymore. And of course, it is really the community that has to decouple from Elon Musk, because everyone is currently following Elon Musk. But do we really need him as a leader? Because he's not being the best leader recently. He's more been trolling. And I mean, his trolling is not very good for the crypto space here, because I think, yeah, the volatility, what he's creating is not very good. And of course, it shows still that the market is still so young here. So also, Andrew, your name to the channel, and you're saying Bitcoin. Can you confirm the bottom of the 200 daily previous autumn high, 41 towards 42k? That I have the Fibonacci retracement on. And the breakdown target of the rising wedge since February. So let me go first. Let me first flip on. Let me set a calculation for the 200 moving average real quickly. Let me set up this calculation. Let me see. So yeah, the 200 moving average, you can see over here, perfectly touched it. Let me get a clear chart for you guys in front of me. Of course, I think both of these moving averages are very important. You can see the 200 moving average providing support here. That's of course very exciting to see. But besides that, guys, you can also see, I mean, still we'll be saying this to 150. I think we're going to create a wick on the lower side, and of course still getting supported by that one. So that looks very exciting. You're talking about the 41k all-time high. Let me see if we can set up a Fibonacci. Let me see if we can set up a Fibonacci for you, my friend. This is for the extension levels. But first of all, yeah, I mean, if you just purely look to horizontal levels, I mean, I was already looking at this chart. You can see over here. I mean, if you look to the wicks, if you connect the wicks here, yeah, you can be seeing maybe we were getting supported by the previous all-time high over here from 41k here. But yeah, I mean, if you just set up horizontal levels, I would rather look at the daily candle close. So yes, there's a probability that we're going to go a little bit lower, but is it very likely to see it? I mean, also getting supported by the 200-day moving average. There are a lot of people that are currently willing to step into the market, and you have to know the big players are still accumulating, and you decide on which side you want to be staying on. But I don't want to be staying on the side of the people that are currently selling, because the big players are still buying. So let's see what we're going to do here, and yeah, hopefully we can see some more interesting things here. As soon as he replied, Bitcoin started to pump up here. I mean, yeah, I mean, that is maybe a thing here, and that's once again what I want to be saying here. Yeah, Elon Musk is pretty immature here, guys. I mean, I don't like to see how the market is reacting to every single tweet he is doing. I think it's not a good thing here. But yeah, I mean, it is how it is right now. It is how it is, and we can't change anything about it. So let me go into the next coin here. I mean, for Bitcoin, the major things that you want to be looking at here, just quickly to sum it up here. And then I will be going into different coins like XRP, like Cardano, etc, etc. And guys, make sure, by the way, to smash up the likes here. Make sure to smash up the likes, because currently we are already having, let me see, 108 likes here. But guys, can we be maybe smashing it up to 400? That will be absolutely insane. If we can smash it up to 400 likes, that will be insane. Currently watching with 800 people. Guys, I think we can easily do it. Make sure to smash up the like here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well here, because that is definitely worth to do so. So yeah, for Bitcoin, to clarify things up here, yeah, we are currently trading against a resistance of the 55.1k here. You can see here as well, previous support will be right now flipping into resistance. So for me, the next 48 minutes will be very important to close it above. If we can't do so, I mean, yeah, we can be looking for some lower prices. Yeah, that's of course very exciting to see as well here. And yeah, we have to really look at what it is going to do here in the coming days here, because yes, if we can't be closing the 4-hourly candles above it, I think we can be looking for a possibility of a lower price anymore for the coming days here. The daily candle, I still think I will be saying this to you guys. I think we can be closing it above the 45.1k here, because we tend to create a big wicks on the lower side, and of course it looks to be that we are very close with bottoming out here, because currently, guys, we are currently forming a bullish divergence on the daily. And of course, you guys know that I'm a huge fan of bullish divergence, because guys, you can see over here, lower low getting utilized, higher low in the RSI. This is of course providing us a divergence on the daily candles, and of course it depends on where the daily will be closing, but still the divergence was even already played out over here. So yeah, there is still bullish divergence currently, guys. So on the daily time frame, so we will be definitely seeing a reversal anytime soon here in the price. So please don't be the one who is currently panic selling. And I see some people saying Bitcoin going to 30k this weekend. And I mean, of course you can speculate whatever you want, but guys, I've noticed from I mean, I've been seeing this so many times here recently. Once Bitcoin is dropping off to 48 to 50k, people are saying Bitcoin is going to 40k. Right now, people are saying Bitcoin is going to 30k. Please don't fall for it. And I don't think it's a good thing to do so, because if you're right now, of course, if you're right now selling your Bitcoin, you're probably buying high and selling low. And what you want to be doing here is buy low and sell high. And of course, you want to know one thing. Maybe you bought at 50k, maybe you bought at 60k, but you have to know one thing. You only make a lose once selling. So if you're going to sell right now, yeah, you're making a lose. But if you're not selling, you're definitely going to flip it into the green once again. And you know it, Bitcoin will be always recovering. Do I am worried about Bitcoin? Completely not here. So let me talk a little bit about these altcoins. And I think I've been talking a lot about I've been talking a lot about Ethereum recently, and I mean, my Ethereum thoughts really came out here, because yes, I was saying to everyone here on the channel, you want to be extremely careful with Ethereum, because Ethereum looks to be that it is a little bit too overextended. So you can see Ethereum, of course, 10% in the retro days, where Bitcoin is only 9%, and of course some other altcoins are holding up a little bit better. And of course, we still see a lot of red across the day here, and I definitely don't love to see it. But of course, if you look to the 7-day, some altcoins are still pumping, like Cardano and Dogecoin. XRP, of course, because we've been definitely anticipating that one as well. But of course, in the end of the day, it is pretty unfortunate to see so, because yes, I was definitely anticipating some higher prices. But yeah, if Bitcoin was not really freaking out here, I mean, if Elon Musk was not really playing such games with us, it was way different. But of course, we just can't anticipate when Elon Musk is going to tweet anything about Bitcoin. But yeah, I mean, for Ethereum, guys, I was saying this already. The Ethereum RSI trend is definitely to the downside. So the buyers are losing strength, sellers are coming into the market, and you definitely want to be cooling. And we are definitely looking for a cool period right now. So what you can also see, lower high structure getting utilized, lower high and lower low structure getting formed here. So I mean, already over here, guys, already over here, I was saying to people, okay, you want to be extremely careful with Ethereum, because Ethereum looks to be topping out, because we're setting lower highs on the RSI. So we are creating each and every time a bearish divergence. So people were saying to me, Roper, what are you saying, man? Ethereum is going to 5k. Ethereum is going to 5k today. I mean, guys, you don't want to be over bullish here on some coins here, and I always try to be realistic, because guys, in the end of the day, if you're too bullish on certain things, you're going to get wrecked here. And if you're just realistic, you're going to make good gains, but still you're realistic. But not everyone likes it on YouTube, but of course I will be not changing. But you can see over here, we were forming all these bearish divergence. So I was saying to everyone already over here, I was saying it around 4,000 US dollars. I was also saying it at 4,300 US dollars, and people were calling me crazy. But guys, you can see it once again here. Bearish divergence, even though it's not the first divergence, but the second divergence, it is always going to provide some resistance towards the downside. So and push the price lower. And do you want to be buying into it right now? Because the daily candles, guys, this is absolutely shocking, because yes, we have been seeing a parabolic run up, but first of all, I want to be clarifying one thing up here. Do I think it's the end of the bull run? No, definitely not. This is definitely not the end of the bull run. That is definitely not the top of Ethereum. We're absolutely going to go higher, but I just want to be raising the awareness. So the awareness that I want to be raising here is, if we are going to go higher, guys, for Ethereum as well, we're going to create a huge bearish divergence, because yes, we've been cooling off very significantly on the daily candle, so and as well on the daily RSI. So yeah, if we're going to go higher, we're going to create a huge bearish divergence. But what I do expect for Ethereum, I do think that we are going to see some more consolidation playing around here. I don't really think that we're going to see a new all-time getting created in just such a rapid pace here. I think that we're going to see something like this or so. Big reaccumulation phase, a big reaccumulation phase, and after that we can be looking for higher prices, but it will be taking quite a long time in my opinion. And still will be saying this, I think 2022 will be the bear market, but 2021 will still be extremely bullish. I don't think that there's any reason to really panic around it. I mean, yeah, we're just going to reaccumulate, and of course you just can't go up in a straight line here. Nothing goes up in a straight line, and if you think so, you're of course at the wrong side here. And I do think, yeah guys, because the RSI is cooling off here on the 4 hourly, on the daily, we're definitely going to see a minor cool-off period getting started. And besides it, I mean, the indicators are still looking pretty healthy here. The EMA ribbon still providing support for the Ethereum price action, so this looks also very healthy. Probably if I flip it to the 4 hour, this is of course bearish currently. So yeah, I mean, let me also flip on to the real quickly to the MACD here to identify the trend here, because yes guys, trend identification is very important. And of course, we were definitely in an uptrend. That was the thing that we were not stressed about, of course. But currently, what you can see here, lower low getting utilized. We are looking to be in a downtrend currently. So that is the thing that you want to be knowing here. We are starting a downtrend on Ethereum. And yeah, of course, I think that's not a particularly good thing here, but still, we'll be saying this. I think we're just going to go in a reaccumulation phase. And of course, where Ethereum will be reaccumulating, I do think these other coins like Cardano, like XRP, Polkadot, they will be definitely stealing the show here. And I've been saying this for so many times recently, and you can see it already compared to Ethereum, where Ethereum is down 15% here. You can see Cardano is up 20% in the last 7 days here. So that's approximately an increasement of 35% compared to Ethereum. So were you better off with holding Cardano? Definitely you were. So I still will be saying this. I think people are maybe saying, I don't want to be accumulating Cardano in this drop off because it is already too strong. It has not dropped off so significantly. But I should be saying to you guys, no, this is a sign of strength. And I don't see any weakness currently in the price action of Cardano. But that's the thing that I will be discussing in a second here. But definitely very exciting what we see here, but I should definitely say to you guys, you want to be a little bit careful with the Ethereum compared to Ethereum valuation here, because it can be cooling off very significantly. But guys, let me know, should I be talking about Cardano right now in the chat here? Because yes guys, I know we have a big Cardano army as well here in the chat, and I see some very exciting things here for the Cardano price action. I don't see a reason to worry about it. So I see a lot of requests coming in here. Then can you check holochain? So guys, I will be quickly discussing Cardano. We'll be still discussing maybe also well Dogecoin here, because yes, Dogecoin has been holding up as well, very good. We'll be also going into XRP, of course, the Polkadot, and of course, then I will be going into all your requests here. But guys, in the meantime, I want to be asking you guys here, make sure to smash up the subscriber count. Make sure to hit that subscriber count if you have it already. And I see also Raymond here in the chat. Raymond in the chat here with the yellow logo. That's absolutely insane here. Dean Harvey, you're saying, are there BTC support levels that we can know about the prices? Yes, we'll be going a little bit more into that in a second here, about the exact support levels. I see a lot of XRP and Cardano requests coming in here, so these are the first two coins that I'm going to discuss here. But before guys, make sure to right away smash up the subscriber button. Would be amazing if we can maybe reach the 42.5k today. And of course, later today I will be also uploading another video about, I don't know yet here, where we are seeing a good opportunity in, right? So Also, thing I want to be saying here right now in the pinned live chat, guys. In the pinned live chat, you can see the Telegram group is pinned. So, would be of course very amazing if you're right now going to join the Telegram group here, because yes, guys, we are also trying to start up a Telegram group here. Of course, we're currently having over 500 members. Would be amazing if you're going to join it as well here. If you want to be sharing your own thoughts as well with us, so it will be of course very amazing if you're doing so. So, let me go into Cardano, guys. You can see Cardano compared to US dollar. This is, of course, a very exciting chart here. We've been looking at it, and of course, we have been standing up our Fibonacci tool. And with this Fibonacci tool, you can see that we were, of course, 2 days ago, we were crushing through the 1.618 here. And of course, the 1.618 here is a very important level that you do want to be looking at. And you can see over here, it was first providing resistance, but once breaking above it, you can see right away it's providing you very strong support. So already having 2 touch points over here. Is this necessarily bearish? No, this is extremely bullish in my opinion, because yes, we are flipping this Fibonacci of the 1.618 into support. What can this provide us? Because we are right now breaking through the Fibonacci, retesting it, we can definitely create some more fuel and some more momentum towards the upside, towards maybe the $2.95 here. So, like I told you before, like I told you a minute ago here, people are saying, all these people are saying, I don't want to be buying into Cardano because it has not dropped significantly compared to these other coins. But that is no reason for me, because this is just a signal that it is showing more strength than other coins here. But is this really a significant drop off here since today? We've been only seeing a 6% correction, guys. A 6% correction. Have we been through this these minor corrections before? Yes, we have, guys. Sorry, we have definitely seen these corrections multiple times here, and for me, there's absolutely no reason to panic here, because yeah, we are flipping the Fibonacci into support. Besides that, guys, like I told you as well on the video previously, we also are creating more and more volatility on the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation. So Cardano is still looking extremely valid here compared to Ethereum. Of course, even though Ethereum is decreasing in valuation, Cardano is increasing. So have I been saying this? Let me know in the chat here, guys. Have I been saying this every single day in the streams? Yes, I have. And people are saying, oh, but you were already saying it since over here or so. But I mean, still, I was saying this since approximately, I think, the 8th of May here. But of course, I told everyone it can be taking a while before breaking out. Of course, since I was calling this one, it took 6 days. But in the end, of course, we broke out and we were sitting way higher. So, I mean, yes, already seeing an increase of approximately 60% compared to Ethereum. 60%, guys. I can't, that is a lot. 60% is a lot here in the crypto space here in just a matter of a few days here. In exactly 4 days, you see this pump playing out here. So this is, of course, very exciting. And besides that, guys, I was also talking about this in a dedicated video. You can see over here, Cardano, major resistance on the Ethereum pair. And of course, I was really thinking that we're going to struggle with breaking through this level, but we easily smashed through it with the daily candle. We closed it above the gray box here. Since closing it above, we, of course, right now are looking very strong. We created even more volatility yesterday. But right now, I do expect that we can be maybe still seeing a downwards retracement towards this level. Because, yes, guys, no chart goes up in a straight line. But if we're going to see a correction towards this gray box here, this will be providing you a buying opportunity. And I still will be saying, yes, we're going to reach our price target from the point that we're currently trading on. It will be another 51% increasement. And, of course, in order to reach this price, yeah, it can be taking a while here. It can be seeing a retracement, then go higher. It can go up in a straight line here, but I'd rather think, yeah, we will be getting a retracement before really continuing the uptrend. So, I mean, should definitely say, don't be hesitating to stay on the sidelines for Cardano. I still will be saying, if you're not holding any Cardano currently, you're definitely going to miss out at huge potential gains here. So I can't wait to see what we're going to do here. I'm waiting for XRP, guys. I will be coming into XRP in a second here. Give me a moment. I will be definitely discussing XRP after Cardano, of course. But first, I want to be going into depth of Cardano, of course. You know, guys. So, yeah, ADA compared to XRP, of course, we can still see a retracement. But yeah, in general, yeah, the price target is still looking very good here. And also, as well here, Cardano compared to Bitcoin. I was telling this you guys as well here. We closed above the major resistance line here. The next really realistic target for me here will be still another insane increasement towards the upside for another 52% there. So, of course, the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation, the Cardano compared to Bitcoin valuation coming together, same price targets. And yeah, I mean, nothing really to worry about. And everything is looking very good here, in my opinion. So, as well on the lower time frame, you can see it looks to be some kind of a W getting created, of course. This W, of course, a typical reversal pattern, of course, is on the 1 hour. So yeah, immediate short term, I do think that we can be seeing some more momentum to the upside getting created, also on higher low getting utilized. So of course, looks like a real trend reversal currently in Cardano. And for me, there's absolutely no reason to really panic about it. So guys, let me take a quick sip of my water. And in the meantime, you guys can maybe smash up the subscriber count. Would be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. Would be very amazing if you're right now smashing up the subscriber count. So let me see. We also reached the 251 likes. Guys, you guys are absolutely insane here. You guys are absolutely insane. Smashing it up here. 960 watchers. You guys are absolutely insane, guys. So I'm a little bit losing my voice, guys. Do you hear it? Do you hear it? Let me know if I sound a little bit different. I mean, I sound really different, I think. So, what are we having with XRP? Talk faster, guys. I really want to be talking faster, but my voice is letting me down a little bit here today. So I'll have to be taking it very slow here today. But still, of course, even though my voice is extremely bad today, I'm still making this live stream for you guys because, yeah, I don't want to leave you guys hanging here because, yes, I've been already not streaming for the past 2 days here because the past 2 days were very busy for me. I mean, I was doing fun stuff, but still, I couldn't stream here. I mean, if you want to be checking out what I'm currently doing here, you can be going to my Instagram here, but also make sure, guys, a quick thing that I want to be saying, go to my Twitter page here at Rover Crypto. Make sure to hit that follow button because, yes, I really want to be reaching the 6,000 followers over here. I mean, we're very close already. And make sure to go to Rover Crypto and hit that follow button. And guys, I was saying this as well here on Twitter too, just raise awareness. So that's the reason why you want to be following. I hope you're feeling. I don't feel bad at all, guys. I don't feel bad at all. I just feel. Yeah, my voice is just letting me down a little bit here. But I was saying this as well yesterday. Guys, the Fear and Greed Index 10 hours ago, it is sitting in extreme levels of fear, guys. You don't want to be, of course, selling your Bitcoin right here. So that's also the reason why you do want to be following me on Twitter. All these important information updates, you just want to be checking it out. And so, guys, we've been talking about the XRP compared to US dollar chart and just about XRP a lot recently because, yes, I always talk about coins that can be giving me potential very high returns. So, yes, XRP was looking very well here. XRP was looking in the symmetrical triangle. I mean, I say was, but still is staying in the symmetrical triangle. Already created a big wick on the lower side here. Right now, moving up once again here. Yesterday, created a fake out once again here. So, quick thing to say here, XRP compared to US dollar, it looks very valid. Still in the symmetrical triangle, and still will be saying this, guys, we're going to see a breakout anytime soon for the US dollar valuation. So, we are going to see potential prices of the $2.72 here anytime soon here. Is this a reason to sell right here? Definitely not. Is this a reason to buy here? Yes, definitely. And the reason why here is, yes, the XRP compared to Bitcoin valuation. And we can see a confirmation of a breakout over here already. We've been already seeing the breakout on the XRP compared to Bitcoin valuation. And you can see the volatility is already getting created over here. So yeah, price target is definitely not reached yet here. Still another 25% increasement from my price, price target for XRP here compared to Bitcoin. So this is, of course, definitely a target that we're going to reach anytime soon here. And I should not be saying you want to be selling here because if you're selling here, you're selling low. And that's, of course, not a strategy that I should be utilizing at least. So XRP compared to Ethereum as well, very exciting, of course. I mean, yes, we've been seeing the breakout, but no volatility is yet getting created here. So what is your current transaction time for Bitcoin? What's the current transaction time for Bitcoin? I think 10 minutes is maximum. I think 10 minutes maximum. Would to give you answer to your donation. Thank you for your donation, of course. But current transaction time for Bitcoin, I think 10 minutes. You can be searching it up on the internet for sure. But yeah, XRP compared to Ethereum. Guys, we've been looking at the exact same structure on Cardano compared to Ethereum, right? You all know it. We were just looking at it. And of course, currently you can see XRP compared to Ethereum forming as well this falling wedge scenario. And of course, we've been already seeing the breakout. But have we seen follow-through getting created? Not yet here. But are we going to create more follow-through in the coming days? Definitely, because we are right now seeing this confirmation of this breakout. This is definitely looking good here. We can be maybe getting a retest of this level before blasting off here, or we can be already blasting off here. So what I should be saying here to you guys is one thing here. What you can be doing here right now is signing up with the FEMX link in the description. Make sure to just spot trade on there. If you don't like leverage trading, of course, you can be leverage trading and spot trading on FEMX. If you don't like leverage trading, you can be accumulating some XRP, you can be accumulating some Cardano, and just on the regular spot exchange. And if you're doing so, guys, you can be getting a 2,000 trading bonus completely for free for just spot trading. So very amazing if you're going to utilize this because, of course, guys, you can be opening a free trade if you're just signing up with the FEMX link in the description, and if you're just spot trading. If you don't like leverage trading, you can just spot trade and get this $2,000 deposit bonus for free. So make sure to go to the link in the description. Make sure to sign up with FEMX because this is definitely an opportunity that you should be embracing with both hands here, in my opinion. So XRP, of course, compared to Ethereum, looks very valid. And guys, oh, my voice is really getting very bad right now. So, I think we're definitely going to see this breakout, of course. Follow through is still yet to get created, but of course, the price target, guys, we'll be saying this is another 90% increasement. 90% increasement. Are you willing to stay on the sidelines? Let me know in the chat. Let me know who's currently, let me know who's not holding any XRP. And like I told you before, if you're willing to buy XRP, I mean, I should just recommend using FEMX. So make sure to go into the description, sign up over there. But yeah, I mean, the price target, of course, on the US dollar valuation is also 90% increasement approximately. So, I mean, let me know who is willing to miss out on this one. I mean, I should not be willing to stay on the sidelines. I should not be willing to stay on the sidelines for XRP right now, because then you're definitely going to miss out on huge potential rewards here. And this, of course, not a strategy that I should be using here. So, let me see. Yeah, I mean, yeah, someone is confirming me. Someone is well setting 10 minutes transaction time. That's true. That's true. I have 9%. I have a 90% XRP portfolio. That's insane. That's a little bit overexposed maybe, because yeah, I like to diversify my portfolio. Rover, can you do VeChain as well as Matic? Same chart. Please look at it. So let me go into VeChain real quickly, because yes, I know a lot of people are asking me about VeChain. Not holding on to XRP, but you won't see his reaction. I mean, guys, I mean, I should definitely say to you, you want to be holding some XRP, because the potential rewards are very high currently. So I should be not missing out of that one. And guys, by the way, if you haven't already, make sure to right away hit that subscribe. It would be amazing if you're doing so. Yeah, you guys are really smashing it up. Only 7 likes before reaching 300, guys. Will be amazing if we can smash it up to 300 likes here. So Wood is also saying here, asking because I initiated a Bitcoin transfer 3 hours ago from Coinbase to Crypto.com. So that's a different thing here, my friend, because Coinbase maybe has to verify your transaction first before sending it. It's still in the initial stage. Never seen it take so long. So I mean, Wood, the transaction only takes 10 minutes, but it can be so that, of course, let's say it can be so that Crypto.com, that Coinbase is going to first look at your transaction, confirm it. So that is the reason why it can be taking long. But 3 hours, man, don't worry. Probably if you just fill in the right address, you can check that. It will be definitely coming towards your portfolio. No stress, my friend. Have you got any stolen now? Of course I have. Of course I have. So my voice. So VeChain compared to US dollar, guys. People are saying, Rover, what do we have to think about VeChain right now? So VeChain is forming in the symmetrical triangle, guys. Definitely very exciting what we can currently see over here. We are currently seeing that we are breaking down the symmetrical triangle. Price target sitting around the 8.6 cents here. And I already told this to you guys. If we're going to break out to the upside, we're not going to reach price target. If we're going to break to the downside, we're also not going to reach price target, because, of course, a breakdown towards 8 cents is too big of a value target. We're not going to reach that. If we're going to break to the upside, we're definitely going to create bearish divergence and, of course, push the price lower. So either direction, I didn't think that we are going to reach price target, and currently still will be saying this, even though that we broke to the downside here. I don't think that we're going to reach the price target, because horizontal level major support line, a lot of people are willing to step into the price action of VeChain. I just think that we're just going to see a lot of consolidation playing out. I don't necessarily think that we're going to break down. I just think that we're going to see consolidation, because yes, VeChain is highly anticipated. A lot of people love VeChain. I love it as well, but I still will be saying this to you guys. It is overextended. It is overextended, and that's the reason why I should be very, very careful currently with VeChain. And of course, I do like VeChain. I do like to see what it is currently doing, of course. I mean, it's still holding on to this supportive line over here. And as well, if I flip on to the MACD, you can see that we are definitely in a downtrend. We are setting lower lows here. MACD, of course, having a bearish crossover. It's not looking particularly good here, in my opinion. So yeah, the price action of VeChain is not looking necessarily good here, but still we'll be saying this to you guys, that we are not necessarily looking bad, because yeah, we are holding on to the supportive line here. There's a lot of interest in it. Of course, the RSI is cooling up here, so this can be giving us a potential buying opportunity anytime soon here. It is about to create a bullish divergence as well here. Depends on the daily candle close, but let me also look at a little bit of the lower time frame. So I mean, I was saying it is about to create a bullish divergence. On the 4-hourly, guys, what you can see over here, we'll be going into Bitcoin as well in a second once again here. But on the 4-hourly for VeChain, we are creating also a bullish divergence. So for me, there's nothing really to worry about. There's no reason to really panic over here. Is this really a reason for me to stay away from VeChain? No, that I mean, I will be still saying this. I think VeChain will be consolidating for quite a long time here. But still, Do you want to be buying into it? I mean, I'm already enough exposed to VeChain. I will be just standing on it. I will be not standing. I will be not buying because I think, no, it will be not giving me the best returns here. But still, VeChain, of course, providing you bullish divergence. Of course, you can be playing these scalp trades, or you can be playing these minor run-ups here. I mean, 7% increasement since seeing this bullish divergence playing out here, guys. These bullish divergences are very easy to play here, so of course definitely very cool to see here. And of course I still think because you're creating a bullish divergence, you're also maybe creating some kind of a W shape here. You can be looking for higher prices anytime soon here, so let's see how this will be ending. Of course, hopefully we can be seeing some more volatility towards the upside getting created here. I definitely think, because this looks like a W structure, also forming a bullish divergence over here, we can be looking for some higher prices anytime soon here, so that's of course a very exciting thing to see. So yeah, people are saying let's go VeChain. So yeah, that's of course very exciting for VeChain. People are saying VeChain. People are also asking me about Chainlink, and I think, yeah, Chainlink is definitely an asset I want to be discussing here. Dean Harvey, I don't know what you were saying, but you were also requesting a coin, but I can't find it anymore. Let me quickly look into the super chat that we are getting here. Let me see if I missed something here. Guys, by the way, make sure to smash up the... we already discussed this one here. Guys, make sure to also smash up the like button. It would be amazing if we're doing so right now. Currently having, let me see, 334 likes here. It would be amazing if we can smash it up to 400. Watching with 1,000 people approximately. So that would be, of course, very amazing. G Petra, you're saying, can you please check GME or finance? So, I mean, let me look at this coin here. Is it really a coin? Yeah, I mean, this one is very low cap. Binance Smart Chain coin recently got launched here. Let me see. Yeah, recently got launched 7th of May. Very hard to give my opinion about. Don't know anything about it. So for me, it's very hard to give my opinion about, man. It's currently only traded on PancakeSwap. So yeah, I don't know, man. I know this is. I know there's a coin, anti-Elon coin. I think Dean Harvey sent me that. Luna, thanks. Dean Harvey, you were saying anti-Elon coin. That was pretty funny. Let me look at Luna real quickly. Let me look at Luna real quickly for you. So yeah, Luna, of course, it looks to be, let me set this up correctly once again here. It looks to be that we were forming this symmetrical triangle over here. And we'll be drawing this one a little bit more stealth on the lower sides here, on the top side, and this one a little bit more like this. And you can still see, yeah, we're forming a symmetrical triangle. Is this a beautiful symmetrical triangle? No, I don't necessarily think it's a beautiful one, because I just don't think the touch points are so significant. But of course, that's the thing that you want to be looking at yeah, later on as well. You're creating a parallel channel in this, and you're also creating a parallel channel. So yeah, let's see what it will be doing here. Hopefully we can be seeing a breakout towards the upside anytime soon here. I think, yeah, definitely it looks very exciting here. If we can be seeing a breakout, I would definitely love to see it going towards the upside. I mean, yes, Luna has been going up here recently, and of course the likelihood of Luna creating a new high here is also very with us. But of course, you have to know, you have to learn from the past there. It was pretty overextended here from the, yeah, approximately 18th of March here. And of course, because of that, we can be seeing maybe some kind of an bears divergence getting created once going higher. So please, you want to be raising the awareness. That is also looking very exciting. But yeah, we can be creating big bears divergence once going higher. So please be careful. But yeah, definitely the breakout is more likely towards the going towards the upside than to the downside. And I mean, if you look at the chart, you can see compared to Bitcoin, it has been skyrocketing recently, because yes, but almost every single coin, guys, has been increasing compared to Bitcoin. And if you look to the Luna compared to Bitcoin valuation, you can see a clear breakout of a symmetrical triangle is almost with us as well here. So this can be, of course, providing you also insane opportunities, because you always want to be looking to the Bitcoin comparison as well. And yeah, for Luna right now, it looks to be that you're forming a beautiful symmetrical triangle, and this one is very nice, to be honest. So you can see 3 touch points on the top side, as well 3 touch points on the lower side. So this is, of course, a valid pattern here on the Bitcoin valuation. Of course, this can be giving you a potential price target of another increasement of another 63% here. So yeah, definitely looks very exciting. I don't think that you want to be staying on the sideline. It looks very strong here, and I think, yeah, you can be making very good potential rewards, my friend. Looks very strong. Let me look at the Bitcoin valuation real quickly. So yeah, Bitcoin has been fighting its way up here recently, guys, where we were discussing other coins here. It's still 21 minutes away before closing the 4-hour candle. Do brave, so you can swallow. I mean, man, it's really my voice that's letting me down right now. I don't think I will be already saying this. I don't think the stream will be all too long today, because I just can't handle it right now. It's very hard for me to keep it up here. So guys, if you want to be rewarding me a little bit here, And make sure to hit that bell notification here on the channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. It will be amazing if you can do so. Of course, later today I will be definitely uploading another video, but I just don't know for how long this one will be today. So let me see if you guys are saying something in the chat here. Tesla did not sold any Bitcoin. Yeah, that's true. Guys, that's the reason why you also want to be following the Twitter page. You can see over here, Elon Musk was, of course, replying that Tesla has not sold anything here. Should I do a quick? Yeah, I will be doing a. Don't fall for the FUD. Guys, would be amazing if you're right now going to like my tweet as well here. It will be very, very cool if you can do so, because then we can be pushing it towards more people. And of course, for me, it will be amazing to grow the Twitter page as well a little bit here. So guys, make sure to go to the Twitter page at Rover Crypto. Make sure to hit the like button on this one, because yeah, I mean, I just want to be raising the awareness once again for everyone, because this, I mean, Twitter, I'm doing Twitter to of course have a little bit more interaction with you guys. Besides that, we are already trying to do that with the live streams. And also for Twitter, I mean, some people are not up to date about some things here. But yeah, I mean, Tesla still has not sold any Bitcoin. Has not sold any Bitcoin, and it probably will be not doing it as well. But I don't still know why Elon Musk is then, of course, creating so much FUD here for the Bitcoin price. But yeah, let's see if he is going to be bullish once again. I definitely think there is something going around with the government, and there are things that they have to be doing here for Tesla, because there's something playing around in the background over there. There's something playing around in the background over there, totally. And of course, Jonathan here, I totally agree with you, man. I mean, already 14 likes, guys. Thank you so much for hitting up that like button. It would be amazing if you can right now also smash up the like button on that tweet. So yeah, for Bitcoin will be very important for the 4-hourly candle close, guys. Can we be closing above the 54? Yeah, 45.1k here for Bitcoin will be very important. 45.1k for Bitcoin, close above the level will be very important, guys. Bitcoin support price, please. So yes, I've been already going over this one, I think. But yeah, the very strong levels for Bitcoin to find some support on, of course, are first of all, I have to enable it once again here. Let me see. I don't have the, oh wait, I want to be looking for the indicator once again. First of all, I want to be looking at this here. No, I will be not using this one right now, because it's very hard for me to explain that. But yeah, major support level for Bitcoin, 45.1k here. Besides that, the 40.4k as well here. But let me also enable the VPVR real quickly to give you a better vision about the Bitcoin market here real quickly. So yeah, you can see over here. There's not a lot of volume getting traded around these levels. Not a lot of volume getting traded around this level. So yeah, for me, I was thinking, yeah, if we're really going to close the daily candle below this, below the 45.1k, we can be really looking for a free fall towards the 40k here, because yeah, there's not a lot of volume getting traded. Only this over here, only this. So this is not a lot, of course, of volume getting traded around these levels. So yeah, this is also major level support, what we are probably going to hold on here. So we have 45.1k. You don't want to be seeing a daily candle close below that level, guys. You don't want to be seeing a daily close below that level, because yeah, if we're really going to close the daily below the 45.1k, that will be pretty bearish in my opinion. So please, let me see. Don't mention Shiba, lol. I don't like that coin, so I won't be mentioning it. So yeah, for Bitcoin, yeah, I'm not bearish at all. A lot of people are currently bearish, but I feel pretty bullish right now on Bitcoin. I feel pretty bullish about Bitcoin. Maybe you're saying, what the F? Why the F are you bullish right now on Bitcoin? That doesn't make any sense. But guys, we are seeing Bitcoin retracing. We are seeing another low getting traded, but a higher low on the RSI. This is already giving me a reversal signal. Besides that, if you flip onto the MACD here, guys, we're still forming a higher low here. We're still forming a higher low. So this is, of course, still, if we're going to curve back to the upside right now, of course, we can still go a little bit lower, of course. But if we're going to curve back to the upside right now, we can be definitely looking for some insane days ahead of us, and I mean insane in volatility, because we can be seeing the price spikes very quickly to the upside. So for me, there will be also no reason to really panic sell over here, because yeah, I mean, I won't be selling low here. I mean, the market is almost oversold, guys, and why do you want to be selling once the market is oversold? That doesn't make any sense here. As well, we are creating a bullish diversion on the daily. For me, there's no reason to really panic about it right now here. For our also yeah, major bullish divergence getting created, but yeah, still we will be saying is, yeah, of course, the 40.5k massive support, but for the daily candles, want to be closing above the 45.1k here, because if we can't, that will be, of course, pretty bearish for Bitcoin. Go XRP. I mean, guys, do you want me to discuss XRP once again here? I just discussed it as well a little bit earlier on. I sold 5 Bitcoin this morning for 42K. I mean, why, man? Why did you do so? That is absolutely panic selling, man. That is absolutely panic selling. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but I should never be selling my Bitcoin over here. I mean, I should never sell my Bitcoins. Once we're seeing a drop-off, I will be definitely not selling. 28% drop-off. Guys, come on. What is divergence? Divergence is basically the RSI is, of course, a strength index. It's setting a higher low in the RSI, so the strength is increasing where the prices are still going lower, and that is giving us a signal of a divergence, or I could say differently, it gives us a signal that the market is going to reverse into a different direction. So, Ave, bro, it's doing well. I know Ave is doing very well here. XRP pump. Oh, it's XRP pumping? Guys, is XRP pump? Yeah, it is pumping. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, XRP has been performing very well here. XRP has been performing very well. We've been holding on to the $1.34 very, very well. Of course, since then seeing a nice increasement, of course, from this point on. The orange line of support, massive support getting provided here. I'm still in my trade here, still going to hold on here because XRP compared to Bitcoin looks good. XRP compared to Ethereum looks good here. For me, there's no real worry to panic here. And then people are saying enjoy the wave here, but I mean the tsunami wave will be coming because you want to be identifying how XRP tends to move here compared to Ethereum. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump. I mean, market structure, guys, market structure, and I mean the market structure of XRP is of course always going into these huge pumps towards the upside, huge correction after that. And of course, we want to be seeing what it will be doing, but of course, I want to be getting the huge pump, but of course, and then going out of it. So definitely very exciting. I think, just like in 2017 here, the huge pump will be still coming here. This is a minor run-up, guys. This is a minor run-up. We're not even close to where we are going to go towards. 88, this is Sparta. I mean, I feel very lovely. I feel very excited about 88, guys. Hey, Rover, where do you think is a good long for Bitcoin? I think the level that we're currently trading on, Brand, to be very honest. The level that we're currently trading on. Let me see. Can I adjust this one? Let me see if I can. I need to find a very good email ribbon. Sorry, email. Moving average. Let me see. Oh yeah, the 365 and 150. 365 and 150. Yeah, like people are saying me the 100 EMA. Let me make a little bit thicker here. Let me make this one also a little bit thicker. So yeah, the 150 moving average, 150 and the 200. 200. So 200 and 150. You can see here the moving averages that I should be looking at for the people that are wondering about Bitcoin. The moving averages that I should really look at here are the 200 and the 150. The blue line is the 200, green line is the 150. And the point here is, I do still think that today the candle will be closing above the 150. The 150 is very important because in previous bull markets, guys, of course, even though that I will be giving me an argument against myself in the second here. But guys, in the previous bull run, let me get a chart with more information. So in the previous bull run, look at this. We were getting supported multiple times by the 150 moving average. You can see the green line. I will be making the green line. I will be giving it a yellow color and we'll make it even more thicker. So you guys can be recognizing this one, okay? So the yellow line is the 150-day moving average. So yeah, the 150-day moving average, very important moving average that you want to be looking at, in my opinion. You can see over here, in previous bull runs, we have been seeing massive corrections of maybe, you can see over here, of approximately 40%. People over here were panic selling. But we, of a channel, of course, I was not there as a channel, but we are currently trading at the exact same levels. At least I am buying. I'm not selling because I'm not falling for the FUD, you know? So once again, you had the touch of this level once again over here. So I mean, you can see this level is just showing you so much significance. This level is showing you so much significance, and you can see it right now as well on this chart, guys. You can see it on this chart. You can see over here, we are getting supported by the level, and people are saying, but Rover, we're right now trading below it. But you have to know this. Guys, we can still create a big wick on the lower side. This body, of course, is still over there, but I think we are going to create a wick on the lower side, flip this one into the green, and go higher. And of course, then we still trade above it. But even though we're going to close below it, it's because the whales are trying to push the price lower, and the whales really want to be pushing the price lower, because then you, like the retailers, you and me, they think that we will be going out. But of course, what they don't know is that, of course, the communities are becoming stronger. And guys, as long as we hold all together, we're not going to make a loss. And of course, I'm here to make gains here and not to make losses. And of course, I will be cutting my losses if it really is necessary. But I don't think that I want to be cutting my losses right now, because this just makes it makes no sense to sell your Bitcoin over here. And of course, we're just going to create a wick on the lower side. We're going to continue towards the upside. Also, the 200 moving average is providing support right now. There's so many big support levels that we're trading on. I just don't see Bitcoin going below it. So, I mean, no reason to be bearish on. No reason to be bearish on. I should really be saying this to you guys. You don't want to be selling your Bitcoin right now. And also a thing that what I'm currently seeing over here. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is almost we are exactly 10 minutes away before closing the 4-hourly candle, guys. And this will be very important where the 4-hourly will be closing. Let's see what we're going to do. ADA, huge buy signal. I mean, yeah, guys, do you know that I'm a fan of ADA? Don't make me feel like this here. Of course, I know this is a huge buying opportunity. And let me see, guys. It would be amazing if we can right now smash it up to 450 likes here, subscribers. Only another 11 subscribers, guys, to the channel. It would be amazing if you right now go. If you right now go to your phone here, and of course smash up the subscribe button. It would be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. So let me see. Let me see what you guys want to be doing. Oh yeah, no reason to be bearish, guys. I mean, there's no reason to be bearish here. I mean, for me, that of course you should have been bearish over here. But was this really expected that we do? Did we already knew that Elon is going to tweet something about this? No, we of course did not. And because yeah, it was definitely Elon that was pushing down the price here. This is definitely all Elon. This is all Elon, guys. So I mean, for me, there's no reason to be selling my Bitcoin right now, guys. Absolutely no reason. So, what is your XRP price prediction by the end of the year? I can give you a price prediction maybe. Today on Polkadot, I see a lot of Polkadot requests coming in here. Let me go into Polkadot. So let me go into the daily chart. So yeah, Polkadot was looking very strong. A few link requests. Let me go as well and link in a second here. Bitcoin was increasing well before Tesla got involved. I mean, that's the point that I was already saying this in the beginning of the stream. Yeah, the link. Okay, I will be going into a link after this one, guys. Promise. So I know I was already saying this in the beginning of the stream here. Promising triangle on Matic 1 hour. We'll be also going into that in a second. But yeah, Polkadot's currently seeing this beautiful symmetrical triangle playing out here, of course. And this symmetrical triangle is absolutely beautiful to see here. And of course, the symmetrical triangle was really helping us to push up the price a little bit here. So you can see here, we broke out, we retested this. And of course, after that, we moved higher. We set a new all-time high in terms of daily candle closes and also of a wick. And we set a new all-time high in general. But then Bitcoin starts to decrease, and of course, once Bitcoin starts to decrease, we can see, of course, the other coins like Polkadot, like some other coins as well, they start to follow. So, of course, what do we want to be looking at? Currently, we're still trading above the 39.58 cents here. What is, of course, a major level of support, which you can see here in the past, major level of resistance as well here. So this is, of course, very important to trade above. So pretty unfortunate that we cooled off from the top side here, because yeah, we were looking pretty strong here, but yeah, because Bitcoin freaking out here, dragging Polkadot with it. But is Polkadot really losing valuation compared to Bitcoin? Yeah, yes, it has been seeing some loss compared to Bitcoin, because yeah, in the recent days it's already been increasing very significantly. But still, guys, we were looking at a symmetrical triangle with 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points on the lower side and 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points on the top side. Of course, this symmetrical triangle already reached its price target, if I said correctly. Yeah, easily already reached its price target. So yeah, we were seeing this breakout of the symmetrical triangle compared to Bitcoin. Of course, anticipated this. Of course, right now you can see it's been cooling off for a second. So what can be likely and what Polkadot tends to do here, like you can see over here, it tends to, of course, always retest previous resistance into support. So I think, yes, we can be seeing a minor move to the downside getting created here, minor move to the downside getting created, maybe a supportive touch here of the gray box here. And after that, we can be looking for some higher prices. So definitely feel very excited about Polkadot here. I don't see any reason to be bearish right now as well here. Of course, we can be looking for a minor retracement for Polkadot compared to Bitcoin. And after that, we can be looking for some higher prices anytime soon here once again. But in general, I feel very excited about it. So yes, good things ahead of us in my opinion. Can't wait to see what we're going to do here as well. Here, yeah, downward slope resistance line, of course, getting formed here. Right now, holding on to the 39.58 cents here. If we're going to close the daily candle close above this one, at least we can be looking for some high price, because still, guys, you can see higher lows getting utilized. We are definitely in an uptrend. We're not looking bearish at all. For me, there's no reason to really panic about this one. So definitely very exciting days ahead of us. And let me talk a little bit about Chainlink, because yes, Chainlink is also usually anticipated on the channel. It has been decreasing very significantly as well recent days here. And is that because of Bitcoin? Yes, it has been because of Bitcoin, because Chainlink compared to Bitcoin has not really lost valuation. We have not been really seeing a valuation loss here in Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, but of course we have been seeing it in Chainlink compared to US dollar. So it means that Bitcoin is decreasing and of course dragging Chainlink with it. And of course Chainlink was setting some new highs recently compared to Bitcoin, but right now it's just been stalling. It's just been doing nothing basically compared to Bitcoin. So that's pretty unfortunate to see, of course. But you have to notice, guys, I feel extremely bullish still about Chainlink, sorry. I still feel very bullish about Chainlink, because yes, we were forming this insane symmetrical triangle here compared to Bitcoin. Already hugely anticipated, of course. We've been talking about this multiple times here on the channel, and I always tell to you guys, Chainlink tends to move in waves. It tends to move in waves, wave to the upside, wave to the downside, and right now it's going to start a new tsunami towards the upside. So for me, yes, I feel very excited about Chainlink, what it's going to do here. Price target still another 20% away here compared to Bitcoin, so that's looking very strong here. Chainlink compared to Ethereum is not looking very strong in my opinion still, because yeah, we're still sending lower lows here, even though that we're creating bullish divergence each and every time. So yeah, I mean, the reversal is really upon us anytime soon here. But it's just very unfortunate that it is not showing us any kinds of strength currently. So yes, it's been decreasing the whole time here, creating bullish divergence as well, probably on the weekly. So yeah, also on the weekly we are creating a bullish divergence currently. So yeah, I think there will be a reversal anytime soon here for Chainlink compared to Ethereum, because yes, I don't think that I want to be bearish on Chainlink currently. Still feel very excited about it, but yeah, we are seeing all these bullish divergence currently playing out here. This can be really helping up the Chainlink compared to Ethereum valuation. But let me also just talk a little bit about the US dollar valuation, because yes, guys, do you want to be bearish on a chart where we are still setting higher highs and as well higher lows? So this is of course looking very valid, and this is looking very strong as well here. So of course symmetrical triangle here was playing out here. We were anticipating the symmetrical triangle breaker towards the upside. $50 was my price target. Already closed my trade over there. Not necessarily my spot, but I closed my trade over there. And if you want to be joining me with future trades as well, because yes, guys, I will be maybe trying to upload another video today over a certain a trade opportunity. So make sure to already sign up with Femex here in the link in the description. If you're signing up right now with Femex, guys, you're getting a $2,000 deposit bonus, highest deposit bonus ever in history. And of course, like I told you before, if you don't like leverage trading, you can just spot trade. So of course, Femex is currently providing a lot of spot trade opportunities, and if you're signing up with Femex, guys, you can be, of course, if you're signing up with Femex, you can just use it for your spot trade account. So let's say you're going to buy some XRP, let's say you're going to buy some Cardano, and still you're going to get a free $2,000 deposit bonus in terms of trading accounts. So you can be opening a free leverage trade with it. So that's the reason why I should be saying this to you guys. Make sure to right now sign up with Femex. Make sure to utilize this link here, because yes, this is an opportunity that I should be embracing with both hands here. This is definitely an opportunity, but of course will be only here for another 8 days, and time flies, guys, in crypto, you know it. And of course, biggest deposit bonus ever in history. I should say to you guys, make sure to utilize it. And as well, if you just want to be accumulating some Chainlink, you can be buying it on the spot exchange of Femex, and if you're doing so, you also get a little bit of the bonus, and of course that can be providing you a free trade over there. So definitely make sure to do so. That's definitely worth to check out here. Definitely worth to check out. So, and let me see what you guys are having. Last chance 50k Bitcoin sell ends in 24 hours. I mean, the sale will be ending very quickly. And I mean, Bitcoin is currently pushing up very, very significantly. And guys, this was what I was about to say here. We are going to close the 4-hourly candle in 1 minute, guys. We are going to witness the 4-hourly close all together. And like I told you just a moment ago, I want to be seeing Bitcoin closing above the 45.1k, and if we're going to do so, we're going to see a very significant bump towards the upside. If we're going to close below the 45.1k, I mean, yes, it can still be increasing more, but it is a little bit more risky for me. So 54.2k here. If we're going to close it over here, this looks very strong here, and I do expect Bitcoin to move up even more towards the upside. So I mean, insane good buying opportunities currently, guys. Insane good buying opportunities. Do you want to be hesitating of accumulating some Bitcoin right now? Of course, no financial advice. It's just my own opinion. But in my opinion, I should not be hesitating to buy some Bitcoin, guys. It is looking very strong. 45 seconds before closing it. Guys, in the meantime, make sure to right away smash up that like button. Make sure to smash up the subscriber button as well. We will be amazing if you're doing so. We're watching with over 1,000 viewers. Absolutely insane. We'll be going to Medic in a second, Mark. We'll be going to Medic in a second. But guys, yeah, we can see over here. 445 likes here. Would be amazing if we can smash it up here. Would be amazing if we can smash it up. But guys, what are we going to do with Bitcoin? We are trading below the 45 point. We're trading above it once again. We're just going each direction each and every time here. We're trading below it once again. We're trading above it once again. So let's see what we're going to do here. Hopefully we can be pushing up a little bit here in the last 10 seconds here. Of course, Bitcoin is very volatile here. It's just a matter of a few seconds. We pump towards the upside or dump a little bit here. So of course, very exciting. And we closed above it, guys. We closed above it. We closed above the 45.1k and $35 US. So a close above this level means, of course, right now, because we closed exactly on this level, we can still go either direction. So for me, this is not really telling me all too much here. So it is very unfortunate. I would have loved to see, of course, Bitcoin going a little bit higher to, yeah, really show us the significance that it is really closing above it, yeah, in a nice term. But of course, right now, we can be maybe getting a rejection from this point here and maybe go a little bit lower. But do I really expect Bitcoin to go lower from this point on? No, I don't expect so, because, yeah, we already dropped off very significantly. And also, if you just look to the MACD as well on the 4 hourly, guys, you can see that we are forming a high low currently. It looks to be a high low getting formed here. A reversal on the 4 hourly is upon us as well here. With the day, the daily candles can also be reversing anytime soon here, because yeah, we're still setting a higher low. So yeah, there's absolutely no reason to really panic for me. You can see it as well here. For me, the daily candle close above the 45.1k will be the most important one, of course. So yeah, it's not necessarily looking bad at all here. Everyone call him Alan. Elon. I mean, I don't know how you guys want me to call him. I don't know how you guys want me to call him. very funny, very exciting, of course. Let me see. DL Medic. Yeah, I will be right now going into Medic here because my good buddy, let me check it real quickly. My good buddy Mark donated to the channel. Thank you for support of the nation, of course. You asked it. So, yeah, guys, currently I can see only 19 likes away before reaching the 500. Will be amazing if we can reach the 500, guys. I'm really addicted to likes. I'm really addicted to likes. So let me go into Medic Network, guys. But let me go into Medic Network. Are we creating another continuation pattern? It looks to be right away that I will be saying this to you guys. I mean, Medic has been holding up very strong here. You all know it. But it looks to be once again forming an yeah, and bull flag. I mean, it looks to be not stopping anytime soon here, Medic Network. I don't know what it is doing here. It's only increasing, not stopping anytime soon here. So yeah, this looks very exciting, of course. You can see Medic Network. Let me flip it to the daily. Was forming a symmetrical triangle, pushed higher. Was forming some kind of an yeah, falling wedge scenario once again, pushed higher. Right now forming on the 4 hourly candles, guys, as well. And yeah, horizontal, sorry, a parallel channel towards the downside, maybe ending in an sorry, and this looks like a bull flag, of course. This bull flag can be pushing up the price very significantly. We can be seeing an increasement of maybe another, let me see from the point on, maybe another 60% increasement, and from the point that we're currently trading on, will be another 45% increasement. So yeah, Medic Network, not necessarily looking bad here. I don't will be saying that we are looking bad, and people are still saying in the chat here, are we in a bear market? No, we are not in a bear market, guys. Come on, you don't want to be falling for this game here. You don't want to be falling for this, because if you're currently falling for this, I mean, you're definitely on the wrong side here, and I don't think that is a good thing to say here. We're definitely not in a bear market. If you're thinking that we are right now in a bear market, yeah, man, you can be selling your Bitcoin right here, because if you're selling your Bitcoin right here, you're definitely going to go to Rex City. And of course, I'm only here to try to help you guys here in the space here, because yes, I've been through these dumps multiple times here, and truly the first time, I know it, probably a lot of people are new, and I recently asked it as well on the channel, and a lot of people were saying how long they were in the space. A few OGs here, a few also a lot of new people, of course. And you've been not through a lot of these dumps, and you've not been through the FUD. And I know in 2017, or was it 2017? It was China was banning crypto mining, if I say it correct. Yeah, China was banning crypto mining, and people were thinking it was the end. it was definitely not the end. It was definitely not the end. People still think always this news can be pushing down the price, and always news can be identifying the end of Bitcoin. But you have to know, in the end of the day, Bitcoin survived everything, and Bitcoin sets a new all-time high. So are we going to set a new all-time high? Okay, maybe it will be not in May that we are going to set a new all-time high, but we are still going to set new all-time highs. Is that the same for the previous bull market? It lasted till the end of 2017, beginning 2018. So still what we're saying, 2022, beginning of 2022 is probably the end of the bull run. I think it will be taking way longer. And will it be really a bear market, or will it be just a reaccumulation phase? I think we can't call it in the I think we will be never seeing a bear market anymore, but we will be seeing a reaccumulation phase, no bear market. I don't think that we're going to see a significant correction of 80% or so for Bitcoin, because the interest has never been so high. The economic depression is really laying around the corner, and we're going to go through it all together with Bitcoin. So, I mean, yeah, very exciting days, very exciting days. I can't wait to see what we're going to do. So, let me see what you guys are saying here. Let me see what you guys are saying. Some people just came in, so I'm asking XRP. Guys, I've been discussing XRP 2 times already. Of course, I love XRP on the channel. You guys know it. I love XRP, but if you want to be seeing my opinion about it, make sure to go a little bit back into the stream here. And also, a thing that you can see right now is that we are exactly 1 subscriber away before reaching the 450 subscribers, guys. Will be amazing if we can right now smash it up here. Let's see here. Crypto Rover's True Legend. Thank you, man. Smash up the lows. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Let me see how much we got. We already smashed it up to 500. So, let me see what you guys are saying here in the chat. I can't see your donation here. I can't see your donation, Midnight Sage. I don't know what it's doing here. But guys, the stream of today won't be the longest here. It's already 1 hour right now. But, I mean, my voice is really hurting today. So, for me, it's very hard to extend the stream for a longer period of time here. So, let's see what we're heading. Bitcoin compared to US dollar here. Of course, we closed above it right now. We retraced a little bit here. I think we can definitely look for higher prices. Of course, the next major resistance target is once again around 49k here. But guys, you have to know it. Like Dean Harvey also told you guys in the chat here, this is the last chance to really buy Bitcoin below 50k here. I mean, this is a chance that you don't get every single day here. This is an opportunity that you don't get every single day here. Make sure to utilize it. Bull is a virgin on the daily candles, guys. Do you want to be standing on the sidelines? No, you definitely don't want to. You definitely don't want to here. Because, yeah, if you're standing on the sidelines right now, guys, what are you going to do? What are you going to do if you're standing on the sidelines right now? If you sold all your Bitcoin, I mean, at least try to buy back into it here. So, yeah, Solana, it's been consolidating quite a long time here. Solana has been consolidating, currently creating a huge bearish divergence, so this can be pushing down the price. It's been consolidating quite well, but don't want to be seeing the breakthrough of the gray box here. We have not been seeing the breakthrough of the gray box yet here, but just a moment ago, we broke above it. We broke above it with the 4 hourly candles, so of course the gray box, of course, new all-time high in terms of 4 hourly candles getting played out here. So yeah, I do feel very excited about it. 49.64 US dollars is definitely the target that I should be looking at to buy into it once again. But Solana, of course, looks very strong in my opinion, even though on the daily candles it looks to be that the RSI is definitely in a downtrend and we can be pushing a little bit lower, but that is of course because Bitcoin is freaking out. But where Bitcoin is setting a low here of the month, a 3-month low, it's Solana that's almost setting a new all-time high. So, I mean, Solana showing a lot of strength here. Gray box holding up very strong here. No reason to panic here. No reason to panic. And for Solana, I may be waiting for a retrace towards the 47, towards 48 US dollars to accumulating the drop-off. And, of course, flipping the previous resistance into support. Because, yes, we can be definitely flipping the previous resistance into support right here before already moving higher. But, yeah, in general, I feel very excited about Solana. No reason to really panic about it. No reason to panic about it. I think we are definitely looking very strong and definitely looking very good here. So, yeah, looking forward towards it. Buy in the dip. I mean, bro, definitely buy the dip. Why should you be hesitating? Why should you be hesitating? Come on, guys. I don't see a reason to sell over here. I don't see a reason to sell at all. Someone, okay, I will be drinking some tea after this one for my throat. Honey and ginger in your tea will be fixing your voice. Thank you so much for all your nice comments here. Thank you so much. Hold 100k USD for every BTC in your... What do you mean? Yeah, an overlay would work. What do you mean? So yeah, of course, very exciting what we currently see here, guys. But unfortunately, I will be right now already. I know the stream is not that long here, but right now, guys, I will be wrapping up the stream here. I will be preparing another video today. Let me know real quickly in the chat here what kind of video do I have to make about which coin, and because I will be making a specific video about a coin, about which coin, and do I need to make an update video where I go into a deep dive into the coin here. So let me know real quickly in the chat here, because yeah, I will be right now wrapping up the stream here, because probably you don't see it or recognize it, but my throat really hurts for me personally, and I can't really go over this too long here. But guys, I mean, to quickly sum it up here, people don't freak out about Bitcoin. The bottom is very near here. We're definitely going to reverse anytime soon here. And for me, there's no reason to panic sell here. You want to be buying the fear, sell the greed. You know how it works. You know how the game works. Don't fall for it. These are whale games. If you're selling right now, you're going to go to Rex City, and that's of course not a thing that I would like to see here. But let me see what you guys are saying here. Sunday swap, holochain, dot, Trias, RSR. XRP is the standard. I mean, yeah, guys, recently I've been doing 2 videos by XRP, but of course that was because XRP is providing one of the biggest opportunities. So that is of course the reason why I make the video about XRP. Because yes, guys, I like to make videos about coins that are giving me very good opportunities, right? So if, let's say, Dogecoin is going to give me a very good opportunity, I will be making a video about Dogecoin. But yeah, currently this is really XRP that is looking very strong here, and that is the reason why I also make these videos about it. So Musk attack Bitcoins, so I could buy the dip with my ADA. I mean, yeah, ADA compared to Bitcoin, of course, skyrocketing. Very nice to do so. Thanks, buddy. Get well soon. Thank you, Mark, for your support of the nation. Holochain is about to break out here. I definitely want to be looking real quickly at Holochain, guys, before before really wrapping up the stream here. Let me know, guys. Luna, I see a lot of things people talk about, but Holochain is still in a downtrend here. Still in a downtrend, Holochain. So yeah, I mean, this is not necessarily looking for a breakout anytime soon here, to be very honest. Yes, it's been holding up very strong compared to Bitcoin, probably, if I look at the HOT compared to Bitcoin valuation. But the dollar valuation is still definitely in a downtrend. For me, no reason to really buy into it right now. Of course, I like to buy into it once I'm seeing a clear reversal. Currently, it's definitely still in a downtrend. And also in the Bitcoin valuation, I don't see necessarily extremely bullish things here playing out of here. So let's see what it's going to do here. So, when should I start buying ADA again? I mean, actually, I should not be waiting a very long time from here on. I should not be waiting all too long to buy some ADA. Let me see. Make an AMI video. I mean, AMI is definitely a very good coin. I agree. Harmony, guys, here. CR, get well soon here. Thanks for your time. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into the stream here. Hopefully you're going to enjoy your day here. You can be expecting another video from me. I will be drinking a good cup of tea here to cool off my throat here for a second. But guys, thank you so much for watching here. Hopefully you can have an amazing day as well here. Don't forget to still ring the bell notification. Make sure to still hit that subscribe button, of course, if you like the content. And guys, make sure to peace out, and I will check you guys later in tomorrow's stream probably, and also in a new video later on today. Goodbye.